Hey y'all, it's Naturally Nappy here. If you're new here, what's up? It's my little corner of the universe where I do 4C hair. And if you're old here, guess what? I have a special treat for you because I will be redoing a hairstyle I've tried before. And I will link that little video up here of my fail and my eyes. It wasn't too bad, but you know. So before I get any further, please make sure that you like, you comment, you share, and tell a little natural about me. So yes guys, like I said, I will be redoing a hairstyle I have tried before, which was a braid out on my type 4 hair, mostly 4C, 4B, but don't like to put a big old title on it. But yeah, I will be trying to do the braid out again. I have used the entire Kinky Tresses line. I have washed my hair, I have deep conditioned my hair, and now I have, like I told you in my last video, that I like to immediately put the leave-in conditioner on my hair after I rinse out my conditioner, so I have already done so. And I have added oil to my parts, but not physically to my hair. So as we be going through for this braid out, I will also be adding the oil along with the butter. So I will start on this section here. It is drenching wet, which I love. Yes. And my hair is already detangled. I will not be using hair tools, but I will be using the end of this comb to do some of my parting. Yes, look at this. Woo. Definition is everything. So me applying a leave-in conditioner while my hair is wet is definitely a must. My hair sits. Yes guys, so like I said, I will be using the Kinky Tresses line, and I've already added the leave-in conditioner, and now I'll just be using the oil and the butter and applying it to my hair, which is the easy part. I use less than a dime size for each section, which was pretty awesome because usually I overuse products. Yeah. So I really definitely appreciated that. So then I just braid until I get about 3/4 of the way down. Use my rat tail comb to comb on my ends to make sure that there are no tangles. And then I wrap the roller around my hair. It's just that simple. It's nothing too fancy. And the hardest problem that I had with the rollers was actually keeping the rollers around my hair. So you'll see me later on actually take it back down and apply the roller in a different way, where I wrap the ends of my hair first and then wrap the rest of my hair around it to keep it in place. Because we forget that our hair is a little bit more kinkier than when it was straight, so it doesn't stay like it used to. And now we are finished with this look. I actually use smaller rollers in the front and bigger in the back because I ran out of the bigger ones, but it's cool. And now we are back actually 2 days later, so I actually let it dry a lot longer than I used to, but I had to because my hair was still wet the first day. And I took down the rollers, and the curls on the end are these braids are on point. Yes. And I'm about to struggle a little bit taking down these braids because they're small to me, but I'll get it right. Some areas are a lot easier than others, where I was able to just pull 2 of the 3 strands in opposite directions and it came loose. And in some areas it wasn't. But yeah, you know, you'll always have these struggles when taking out the braids. Just try your best to be as gentle as you can, which I was not. I was actually getting frustrated. Just try to be gentle so that you do not cause more frizz than needed. I eventually went off camera and took down the remainder of the braids because this was taking me a lot longer than I needed it to. But then I come back and as you can see, the definition is definitely there. I am just going to run through and do a little bit more fluffing to, of course, clean up the parting as well as give me a lot more volume, which this product did from the jump. My hair is definitely moisturized. The definition is there. The volume is there. I just, you know, went back in to heighten it a little bit more. And I love this look, y'all. Check me out. So I am back with this finished look. And I am in love with it, to be honest. Because, like, I put those curlers on the end and it's so defined. I love it. With the braid out at the roots and the curls on the end, this is definitely something I would try again. If you're wondering why there is frizz right here, because I decided not to part my hair properly when I was styling. So this morning I had to run the part back through it, which caused the frizz. It's not too bad, but I don't care, cause look at my bag. Look, it looks so good, so good. I am in love with this look. Kinky tresses, come through with the definition, the shine, the moisture, because my hands are definitely moisturized. I love it, I love it, I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you again, Kinky Tresses, for trusting me with your products. If you guys are wondering where can you purchase these products, check down in the description bar. I will let you know everything as well as a coupon code for your first purchase. So thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!